Hi guys, it's Nunu, and do you have questions about what we're doing in class? Well, as Yoda says, clear your mind of questions and learn what we are doing in class. How can you do so? Well, you can click on modules in this left menu, the second item down, to view all class lesson plans with links to all assignments, and you can also read our class notes below. I'm going to scroll down and home to show you our class notes. They're all here, weeks 1 through 7, with handouts and links to the class notes. And I even have week 8 here, what we did on Monday, October 15th. So let's review Monday, October 15th. First, I went over the first third of our Chapter 1 essay with you. We worked on transitions together. I also worked with you on your MLA format lesson work on racism, classism, which is we're working on now in week 8. And for this assignment, we looked up statistics for Harvard Westlake Prep, the nation's report card, the NAEP, National Assessment of Educational Progress, and the average income per the U.S. Census Bureau. I gave you these questions to research. I'm going to scroll down so you can see all the questions. Let me scroll down a little bit more. They are questions 1 through 6 here. So all of the class notes for this week so far, Monday, October 15th are here. You also have class notes for the first 7 weeks of the semester. You have my video about the rhetorical focus right here. And of course, we can always click on modules in the left menu, the second item down, to view all class lesson plans with links to all assignments. Let's do that. So I'm going here in home. I'm going to the second item in the left menu, modules. I'm clicking on it. It's coming up, and here I see weekly all the class lesson plans. I've scrolled down. Whoops. Let me go do that again. I've scrolled down to week 8, the to-do list for week 8, October 15th through 19th, 2018. I went over this online assignment you have for Essay Discussion Quiz 2. That's due this weekend. We're also working on this in class and online. It's the MLA format lesson 4 on race and poverty. Those are the Harvard Westlake questions in the week 8 notes for Monday, October 15th. And we're working on this homework, these handouts, the Chapter 3 essay, pages 151 and 154 of this little book, and Chapter 1. And we were working on Chapter 1 on Monday. Okay, I'm scrolling up. I'm going back to home. And I'm reminding you to clear your mind of questions and learn what we are doing in class. Click on modules and read our class notes below. And I'm also available to you during office hours and before and after class. Okay, have a good Tuesday. I'll see you Wednesday.